hello to all my friends out there. And so it's the last week of the month, and so I'm going to be making some dinners using my stockpile. So I bought turkey burger at 99 cents only for $1.99, 12 ounces. And I'm making a little skillet tamale pie, and you could make this on a barbecue, on a hot plate. I was thinking the reason I barbecued everything, I baked everything is because I used to work until 8 o'clock and I would throw everything in the oven so that I could be doing the laundry and getting ready for the next day. But now I'm going to be making everything on the top of the stove, especially towards the end of the month. So I will fry the turkey burger. It could be hamburger, it could be ground sausage, it could be anything you have. I will add a little onion, a little garlic, and a little black pepper. And I'll fry it in a little bit of oil. Let me see if I can find my oil that I buy at Dollar Tree to show you. Okay, here is one. There is a tiny bit of oil. I don't throw anything out. I buy these for $1. And so then I'll drain the oil if there is any. I try to fry it so there's so little oil it doesn't require draining. Then I will add tomatoes, some olives, and some corn for a small batch, maybe a half cup. And then I will add enchilada sauce. If you don't have enchilada sauce, you can just add chili powder. And then I will make some cornbread, and I will drop the cornbread. Okay, so I want to thin my my tamale pie down a little bit so that my muffins can soak up a little of this enchilada sauce. Okay, I bought this milk for $1, these eggs for $1, and this corn muffin mix. And I spent about a week making muffins and biscuits in a skillet. But tonight I will make the muffins, and I will just put them on top of my enchilada pie and cover the pan with some foil and, you know, kind of like dumplings. So, okay, so these are the ingredients. The point of this too is use your stockpile, use dollar food, buy your turkey burger as cheap as you possibly can, your eggs and your milk as cheap as you possibly can, stockpile vegetables, you don't want to run out of those. And okay, I will be back when I make this and show you guys exactly how I make it. I'm sure some of you are probably better camp cooks than I am. So okay, God bless you all.